Okay, you have to see this. Holy fuck. The highways are closed. Look at that freaking accident right there. We are completely flooded. My dad said, because I'm following my dad right now, the water is up to my house. I can't even take my regular way home because the roads are flooded. There's no way I'd get through it. Oh my freaking God. Look at that. Everyone is underwater. This is the worst flood. My dad said 30 years. So I know my basement's going to be flooded. I am so not excited for this. Fuck my life. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, I'll get. Oh my God. No way. Look at that. Houses are underwater right now. That's like a fucking lake. Oh my God. Shit, dude. Oh, that tree's down. Power lines are down. Apparently, my dad says the power's back on, but the sub pump is just pumping water into the fucking ditch, and then the ditch is full, so there's nowhere to fucking go. Shit! I'm sorry. I'm freaking out, dude. I really miss you, and I wish you were here. Because holy fuck! We have lakes in our fucking yards! Oh my fucking God! I can't. Okay.